So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, it's Ali B here again, once again for another video. So first of all, let's talk about my hair. I have it in this nice little protective style. I did some twists and they've been in for 2 days now, and I'm gonna be keeping them for about a week. This is how much my hair have grown. It's pretty cool. So, and I have this little head wrap on with my flat twist at the front. So, yup. Oh man. Okay. So in today's video, guys, what I want to be doing is an unboxing of some hair that I received from a company. So this is it. It's called Klaiyi hair. 100% virgin human hair. That's what the box is. And it comes in this cute packaging. I love it. It's so sleek and so nice. So I'm gonna open up the box and I'm gonna show you what's inside. Okay guys, so this is how the box is looking. It says Klaiyi hair on the top, and then it says 100% virgin human hair. So I'm just gonna open up the box and let you guys see what it's looking like inside. So when you open up the box, here it goes. There is a pair of lashes. This is how it looks. And I really like these lashes because they're not too dramatic. I like simple lashes like this. So thank you, Klaiyi hair. So the next things are the bundles. So this is virgin straight hair, guys, and I really like this hair. So this one is in 18 inches. I got 18 inches. This one is in 20 inches. And then the last bundle is in 22 inches. So I have 3 bundles here. 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 22 inches of straight hair. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks, guys. That's it right there. And I must say that I really like this hair. Let me open it and show you what I'm talking about. If I could get this off. So when you open it, this is how it comes out. And I must say, guys, that the wefts are really nice. The hair is very soft. And when I run my hand through it like this, there is absolutely no shedding that I'm getting. You could look. There's no shedding in my hand. And it's really nice and soft. Okay. So the last thing that I got from this box is a closure, and this is 16 inches Malaysian straight. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye guys.